my name is Hannah Fox, and I am a physical therapist with our rehab team here at Iredell Health System. And I'm here to talk to you guys about better health through movement and the benefits of exercise on your body. So just a few things first, let's talk about the benefits of exercise on our body. So did you guys know that exercise can help improve your immune function? And how important is it nowadays to have a healthy immune system? Exercise can also help speed up your metabolism. It can help aid in proper digestion. It can help improve your flexibility and strengthen your bones. It can also help decrease your risk of Alzheimer's disease, and it can also help control and reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol. And these are just a few of the benefits of exercise on our bodies. So exercise does not have to be hard. It can be very simple. We need to choose something you enjoy doing, something that you find rewarding. Set yourself some realistic goals and reward yourself when you meet those goals. It is recommended that we get at least 30 minutes of exercise 5 times a week. So it can be simple. It doesn't have to be hard. So let's talk about some exercise, and I'm going to show you a few that you can get started in at home. First, we need to talk about good posture. So when we think about standing, we want to think about keeping our head upright. Try not to let your head go forward, because when our head goes forward, we tend to bend our back. And then to compensate, we tend to then arch our lower back. And these things aren't good for our spine, and we want a healthy back. Okay, so we want to think about, one little tip is if you open your hands like this, it helps you straighten yourself up, and that improves your posture already. So let's talk about a couple exercises while we're standing. So first one is going to be, we squeeze our shoulder blades back gently, hold for a few seconds. Okay, so just a simple exercise here where we just squeeze those shoulder blades back. This is going to help with our posture and help ourselves hold ourselves straight. We also want to think about a chin tuck here where we just sort of straighten our head up, and that'll prevent us from allowing that head to come too far forward when we're standing. And then one more thing, let's talk about our neck range of motion. So a quick little exercise we can do, and we can do all of these while we're sitting as well, is just rotate our head side to side and then rotate over our shoulder. Remember to be slow and controlled. Try not to have quick movements as we're doing this. Hold them for a few seconds and maybe about 10 to 15 reps. All right, guys, so let's talk about good sitting posture. So when we're sitting in a chair, we want to be careful not to have an arched spine. And again, we don't want our head too far forward. So if we actually recline back just a hair while we're sitting, that'll have a good straight spine, and it'll decrease the pressure on our low back, okay? So while we're sitting, let's talk about just a couple exercises we can do here. So the first one is going to be a hamstring stretch, and it's for our legs. So if you'll just stretch your leg out just like this, put your heel on the ground, okay? Keep that back straight. Try not to bend forward. Try not to arch back. Try to keep it straight. And then we want to just gently lean forward. And as we lean forward, you should feel a stretch in the back of your leg right here, okay? So we want to hold that stretch for a good 10 to 15 seconds. And let's do at least 10 reps on each leg. So after you're done with this left leg, we would just repeat to the right leg, okay? So our next stretch is when we're sitting for a while, we tend to get stiff hips. So we want to loosen up our hips, okay? So we want to cross our left leg right over our right leg like this, okay? Keep our back straight, head up, and lean forward slightly. And as you lean, you're going to feel the stretch more in the back of your leg here, okay? Again, we want to hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. And after we've done that, we would want to repeat that on the right leg also. Exercise doesn't have to be hard. It can be simple. Choose something you enjoy doing and reward yourself. So a few final tips for you guys. Wear good shoes, okay? Wear supportive clothing. And if you're at the store, you go to the mall, park the car further away. Take the stairs, okay? These are just a few tips. Again, make it enjoyable for yourselves. Thanks, guys, for letting me talk to you about exercise, and have a happy holiday.